fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Friday morning, the last day of July 31st. James Spann here. Been a very wet, stormy week, and we're starting off with more storms this morning. Look at the Coleman Skycam. Pouring rain up there this morning with another batch of showers and storms passing through. No severe weather in progress, but typical summer storms, a lot of thunder and lightning. There's the Gadsden Skycam, some rain falling there up in northeast Alabama. And in Jasper, some big storms are nearby. That's the Walker County Courthouse as seen from the King Building. Here's a look at the radar this morning at 5 o'clock. Heaviest rain lined up from near Aliceville to near Oakman to Good Hope and Coleman, then up to Albertville and ultimately Rainsville. Other showers and storms out ahead of that main line, and other rain falling on the eastern side of the state. Convective outlook for today, there's no formal severe weather risk, just low-end probabilities at this point for the southern two-thirds of the state in advance of that line. And as always, we'll watch these things. Tomorrow, a slight risk off to the west. That includes places like Little Rock and Shreveport. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, kind of the same deal. These low-end probabilities at 5%, no formal risk defined. And the QPF graphic, expected rain valid through Tuesday evening of next week. And this is still showing about 2 to 2.5 inches here. And I think there's no doubt we will see a drier type pattern next week with warmer afternoons, not as many showers and storms, but there will be a few around as the moist air mass lingers. And boy, it's quiet out there in the tropics. Just nothing happening across the Atlantic basin. So here's modeling. This is the OZGFS valid at 1 o'clock today. And the heights are beginning to go up a little bit. Still a broad trough over much of the nation. Down below that, there is a surface boundary today that will be near Muscle Shoals. And the air is noticeably drier behind the boundary. And the question is, will we have dry weather later today after these morning showers and storms? It is possible, and we'll probably lean that way. We'll mention showers and storms this morning, the sky becoming partly sunny this afternoon. And like recent days, there could be a few more storms late today or tonight. But it sure looks like we might catch a drier afternoon. Now, tomorrow, the surface boundary is near the Tennessee River, but we stay moist, so we'll mention at least scattered showers and storms, while maybe Huntsville and Nashville stay dry. Sunday, we're on the edge of the deeper moisture. Again, if you look back off to the west and north, the air noticeably drier. But again, on Sunday, we'll mention scattered mainly afternoon storms. And then Monday of next week, by golly, we get into drier air if this run is right. Now, we're not going to take out the chance of rain, but certainly this is suggesting a hotter day with highs maybe up around 90 or maybe even low 90s with only an outside risk of a shower or storm. And Tuesday, again, there's moisture there, but it's pretty skimpy. And Wednesday of next week, same deal. Thursday, the ridge is indeed trying to rebuild. The higher heights back off to the west, but the westerlies have indeed shifted north. There's the surface chart on Thursday. And a week from today, a surface boundary coming in from the north. But you get the idea that next week will feel a lot more like midsummer, like early August, with highs back in the low 90s and showers and storms becoming more widely scattered. End of the forecast, August 15th. Nice shortwave coming through the Great Lakes, flat ridge down here. And looks very typical. More muggy, a few scattered showers and storms, and again, nothing to suggest any really nasty heat waves. And with this good soil moisture, now that more than likely just will not happen. In fact, guidance will probably be too warm next week. In fact, highs next week should be closer to 90, I think, because of all of this good moisture we have in the soil now. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.